Hi guys, Mike Martin here. Right, a few people recently have been asking me, how do you use Lead Simplify forms inside of HTML websites? Now I know obviously most people are using WordPress, but there are still some people using HTML, and Mass Website Builder is going to be live very soon. So I thought I'd just do a very quick, easy video to show you, because it's super simple, super quick, super easy. But if you don't know how to do it, obviously you don't know how to do it. So this is a HTML website here that I've built that's got rubbish code in there. And as you can see, I've got a get a quote section here, but I've not got any quote form or anything like that. Okay, so what I've done is I've created the quote form inside of Lead Simplify. Here's the quote form. So if we go in and we have a look at it and we click, as you can see, it's a locksmith form. It sets it as a lead. It's sent from a website. Thanks for your inquiry, we'll contact you shortly. And then we've got various bits and bobs and quite a few page breaks in it, as you can see. Okay, we don't submit the form to any specific email because it just literally comes through. We've set up the styling options and things like that. Okay, so I'm going to click style and save and preview. When you go over and have a look at it, it just looks like this. Okay, so they select burglary repairs, door opening, door replacement, emergency 24-hour locksmith lock fitting, blah blah blah. So whatever it is they want. And if you look at this form, you'll recognize it from quite a few of the forms I've shown people in the past. It's the type of form I like to do. So we've created the form inside of Lead Simplify. All you need to do is come over to the right hand menu here and click on this. Now, if you're building HTML websites, you understand what FTP is. Okay, so I've gone in via FTP now to the back end into my text editor. And here it is. And this is the same website. This is the 24-hour locksmith, whatever it is. And what I'll do is go inside the public_HTML file. I'll look down the files and I will search for, I've built this myself from PHP and HTML, so I know where the files are, but I know that this is in the quote form section. Okay, so I'll open the quote form section and there's the word get a quote. So if we go back over and you can see there's get a quote, so that's put inside of, that's been centered, it's been made bold. So literally all I need to do is make a space underneath there and paste it in there. I click save. And as you can see, well, you can't see, but it's just updated that to the website, so it's literally that simple. I can come back over here now and refresh the page. Oh, this is something we've been using for, which has been helping conversions. We have a pop-up here that says we're closed, and I've obviously give somebody else a phone number. But as you can see now, that same form I've just shown you inside the website is inside of this, inside of Lead Simplify over here. Is now inside of this website, and any forms that get submitted via this thing will be submitted straight inside the Lead Simplify system and automatically distributed to the right lead buyers in the right location and sold on complete autopilot without us doing anything else. Obviously I can copy and paste that code and stick it into any website I want anywhere in the world. Okay guys, so that's how easy it is to do. They're set up to move dynamically and go 100% for mobiles and everything else, so you don't need to worry about all your styling and all the rest of that. Just paste it in and it'll work. If you want to do the styling around it, that's completely up to you. Thank you very much. Hope that helps. Cheers guys. Bye bye.